Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. I have some exciting news. I moved into my apartment. So I'm living here with two other girls and we finally moved in as of October 1st. I know that I mentioned in my last video that I was going to give you guys an empty apartment tour. I really wanted to give you guys an empty apartment tour, but everything with the apartment the last month, it was redone the month of September, so everything really just came down to the wire that it just wasn't even ready to show. Everything was kind of a mess. Our stove like finally got connected like a few days after move-in. Our dishwasher is still on back order after like legit 2 months. And other than that, the apartment pretty much like is ready, except we still are like waiting on some things to get shipped. We still want to get, I'm on like just like kind of like a temporary couch right now. We do want to get like a legit couch. So we're just kind of waiting on all of that. It's been a process. Our TV got delivered and it was literally shattered. So shout out Walmart. In a whirlwind. I do really want to give you guys a furnished apartment tour. So like I said, that will probably come within like the next month once we kind of start to get things together. But yeah, so I am literally already sick of living in the city with the sound. Why do they always have to do work on this road? Why? So today we are going to be running some errands. We desperately need a trash can in our apartment. We just like haven't had it. We've been using like Trader Joe's bags and it's just been a shit show. So I really want to go get a can. I did not bring my car into the city. It's just like too much of a hassle, too much to do. So I just left my car at home. So that means we're walking everywhere. So we are going to walk to the Starbucks. I need to get my coffee and then we are going to walk probably just to like Stop and Shop or maybe Walgreens. If for some reason they don't have the ones I want, then there is like a True Value hardware store. It's just like further down the road that like I didn't really want to walk to, but again, I literally have nothing on my plate. So like we could, I'm being lazy right now. But I can show you guys actually a little OOTD if anyone cares. So we just like have this like little like mini mirror right now. Can we focus? So we just have some Gymshark leggings, classic. And then if anyone remembers, I got this from Five Below in one of my other vlogs and I'm legit obsessed with it. So that's that. What a time. Then I do just have flip-flops on because I got really bad blisters from wearing like closed-toed shoes for like the first time the other day. So we're back to flip-flops. But so with that being said, let's go. Hi guys, I'm back. So I didn't film any of that. It was like a shit show. I don't know, I was walking, I was sweating, it was getting hot out there. I was like, I just don't want to film myself. So I ended up obviously getting my coffee. But then I went into Stop and Shop and Walgreens and they just like didn't have trash barrels. I don't know. I'm kind of shocked that they didn't, but I really at that point I just like did not want to walk to True Value. I was not trying to walk all the way down that road to go to the hardware store. So I just decided that I would order one off Amazon. So I got home and I started looking them up. Trash cans are expensive. Why are they like literally 50 bucks a pop? It's just a trash can. It's literally a thing of plastic. So that's fun. But I'm making my avocado toast with like just like a super just unripe avocado. I don't know. I bought one that was ripe and the other two that weren't. I assumed that after like 5 days it would be ripe. Apparently it's not. So this should be interesting. So as you guys can already tell, it's just like not ripe at all, but we're just gonna go for it. It is such a mess. So then everything but the bagel, classic, lots of that. And then the lemon. I'm not squeezing all of this, I'm just like, you can like see the drops coming down. And that is good. The taste test. Honestly, even with the avocado being unripe, it's still like really good. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then I'm probably gonna go apply for jobs because Your girl's bank account is looking sad. So I'm gonna go do that. And then I will talk to you guys soon. Hi guys, I'm back. So the last time we spoke was like 11:30 a.m. It has been a long day. It is like 5 p.m. right now, by the way. I've spent probably the last like 5 hours just strictly applying to jobs. Applying to jobs during a global pandemic is like literally the worst thing I could ever do. But I'm back because I got a package. So I already took it out because why not? But I got this lamp. How cute. So this lamp I actually saw on one of Alicia Marie's videos. So I ended up getting that lamp literally like yesterday. I ordered it. So I can't wait to put it in my room. However, my room has been a process. So like I said, I want to give you guys like a full apartment tour. My bedroom is going to be sad to say the least, probably during that tour, just because I want so many beds. So many bed frames out there are gorgeous, but they're so expensive. Story short, the ones I want are too expensive and I cannot afford them at the moment. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my bed frame that I had before. I will insert a picture, guys. Every girl has it. Like every girl has this bed frame. It was like $120 from IKEA. Almost everyone I know has it. And it just doesn't fit my vibe. Like I just feel like this bed is very like girlish, which is fine. It's fine for my bedroom right now, but compared to all the little things I got, it's just not coming together. So I'm gonna show you guys the lamp and I'll show you guys my room just so you can like understand what I'm talking about. Okay guys, we're in my bedroom, but look at how cool this lamp is, guys. Ready? It's like one of these lamps, okay? Don't mind like we're getting like a little like piece of wood for there. And then this also I got from her video and now it kind of looks weird with this, but whatever. So this is a lamp, look how cute. And then it's touch. So that's like the nighttime. This is, I think, the middle one. And then it goes even brighter. So there's like so many different little things. I'm loving that vibe. Not gonna lie. But I don't know, it's not horrible. So let me show you guys the entire room. It's a mess, by the way, but let me just like let you guys get like a better picture of what I mean by like this bedroom is just not going to be what I want it to be. So when you first walk in, you have, again, it's a mess, like I said. You have my old desk, I have pillows, I have like this weird thing that who freaking knows what I'm ever gonna use that for. And I redid this dresser, guys. I'm not even kidding you. It was like shit before. I'll show you guys a before picture. So I was very proud of that, right? And then I have this like just plain black bed frame that I put my bed on, right? But it's just too high. Like, look at it compared to the nightstand. It just looks so high. So I wanted it shorter. But the problem with like a shorter bed is like I have a box spring. A lot of people don't put box springs with their mattress. I don't know, I like the idea of a box spring. I grew up with a box spring. I was looking for like low profile bed frames, which would obviously bring it a bit lower. This bed frame is 14 inches high. That's huge. It's great for storage to put stuff underneath, but I just like don't want to keep it. But that was kind of my mindset when I bought all this stuff, was like the black bed frame, and that's why I got the black nightstand with the lamp and all of that. And so now I'm kind of lost. I also planned to get like a new desk, but I also don't want to spend the money. So I'm just like lost, guys. I really have no idea what I'm gonna do with my bedroom. But right now I just look like a poor mess. And it's just sad. Like this place doesn't feel like home yet, because my room is just a shit show. Also, I don't like the idea of not having a headboard. I thought I wouldn't mind it. I do mind it. I want a headboard. So yeah, if anyone has any ideas of like what to do with this bedroom, please let me know. I just need a lower bed. Like, because it's so high, it makes the room almost feel smaller. I also don't know if I want to keep it this way or put it horizontally, like against the back wall instead of against the side wall, because the door does like open up like into the bed. So I don't mind that, but it's like, then do I want it to open up into the the nightstand. Like I feel like that would cause more issues. So I don't know, guys. I am so lost right now. I have no idea what I want to do. And your girl is poor because I don't have like a real job. So I've just been taking it day by day. But that's kind of why I'm just gonna bring my old bed in, just to at least make it feel more like homey and not so like depressing. But I don't know, I feel like it's gonna look so weird with the nightstand and the lamp. I don't know, guys, I'm lost. Send help, send lots of help and like tequila or something, I don't know. Hi guys, so it is like a day or two later. It's 2 days later, I don't know why. I was like, it's a day or two. But as you can tell, my room looks very different. I still don't really know where I'm going with it, so I probably won't show you guys, but it's coming together. My dad brought my old bed frame yesterday, which was the one that I mentioned earlier on in this video. So we put it together, it's all together. I have my new bedspread, which is a UGG quilt. I literally got it on sale at Bed Bath & Beyond and I'm in love with it. It is so soft. So there's that. I do still want to get like a little, where's my finger going? A little pillow for in between those pink ones, just to kind of like give it a little bit more contrast. But that'll probably not be for a while. I also ended up getting my nails done. Don't mind my like awfully pale fingers. I will be fake tanning probably tonight. But yeah, I'm very happy with the way they came out. So pretty much I'm getting ready right now to literally walk to Cumbies. That's where I'm at in my life. But I just wanted to put a little bit of something on, mainly because I am filming, because your girl, she don't look too good these days. So, I really just wanted to sit here and talk to you guys. Just because of life, and I just moved in and I promised you guys, I know I mentioned this earlier in the video, but I promised you guys an apartment tour. I've not given you guys that apartment tour. I feel like hopefully it'll be within the next month, at least that's what like I'm really hoping for. I want to vlog more, but it's like, what do I vlog? I'm just like a big talker, so I'm like, I need to like show people something. People don't want to just see me talk for freaking 20 minutes straight. So that is why I'm taking you guys along with me to Cumbies today, to kind of give you a little bit of some action, a little action in this video. But yeah, and so again, back to just the update. Hopefully we'll be able to get our apartment together pretty soon. Again, our dishwasher's still on back order. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier in the video, but we've been waiting on some appliances. Everything just came down to the wire when it came to the apartment itself. So it's just not where I want it to be to show. But obviously, like, I'm not gonna like not film. I might make a few cooking videos because I love to cook and bake. And I think those would be fun, maybe with some friends, maybe a little tipsy. I don't know, we'll see. Doing my makeup like half in this camera and half in a mirror is like concerning. I also don't have like a legit mirror. I'm using this like little like compact Sephora one that I got, God knows when. So it's kind of like, that's my life, you know? But again, I just wanted to put on makeup because I feel so ugly these days for some reason. Even though I'm like not wearing makeup, I've been like weirdly stressed, so my skin is just breaking out like crazy. And so I like try not to wear makeup to like help it, but then I'm like, this is bad. But yeah, so long story short, videos are coming soon, guys. Okay guys, well this has been 9 minutes and I promise I probably only put like a minute of this in, so I do apologize for rambling. This just like got out of control. But pretty much I am going to finish my makeup and then I'm going to change. And then I'm gonna go to Cumbies because, and if anyone's confused, it's Cumberland Farms. They have 99-cent iced coffee, really, or hot. And it's surprisingly very good. I've been like weirdly sick of Starbucks. I feel like every time I go, I end up getting the same thing, or I've been getting pumpkin because, you know, 'tis the season. And sometimes, you know, you just want like a iced coffee with some almond milk. And there are places that I can get it from around here, but I'd rather spend $1 than like $4, especially because I have almond milk at home, which I'll just get my iced coffee and bring home to put almond milk in. So yeah, that's kind of like my plan. So I hope you guys are excited to come with me, because I mean, who wouldn't be, you know? Like, this personally is the highlight of my day, walking to Cumbies. And I'm really hoping that it becomes the highlight of your day, because that'll make me feel a little less sad inside. What a time to be alive, let me tell you. Okay, well, I'm gonna go finish this, change, and then I will see you guys on my walk to Cumbies. The things lighting can do, I cannot. Like, how much better I look? Okay, well, let's go. Hi guys, I'm back. So I can't lie to you guys. This is a completely different day. The last time that I went to Cumbies that you guys just saw, literally seconds ago, it was Friday, and I came back and we had a new stove being delivered. There was so much going on. I ended up going out that night and literally just never finished the vlog. And it was to the point where it was like so much time had passed that I was like, do I just like pop in while I'm editing and tell you, or do I wear the exact same outfit and pretend like it was the same day? So I decided to pretend like it was the same day. So I'm a little embarrassed, but I mean, we'll survive. So anyways, the main reason why I did this was because I'm literally uploading today. So if you guys are seeing this, this is me literally today as we speak. But I just wanted to come and end the vlog here. The vlog that you guys see obviously is a bit long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think I should do with my bedroom, because I'm still lost. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I love you all so much. Thank you for all of the support this far, and I will see you next Wednesday. Bye.